Today we are going to be putting this strawberry basket together, you guys. So this is a die from Scrap Diva Designs. It's going to be a really quick and easy video today. I am still building my Valentine's stash and getting all my design team projects done. Look at this one right here. Isn't this so cute? I had previously shared a Christmas version of this one, and I ended up using scrap pieces of paper, you guys, and just kind of giving it like a ripped paper effect, and I just really like how it came out. I think it looks so cute. I love the colors and everything. The little shaker window, super cute. Okay, but back to this. This is the die right here. This is the set. So you get this piece to create the walls of your basket, this piece to create the base. You get a layering piece for your base, and it has a stitch detail to it. And then you get these two different border edges. This one has some little hearts in it, and this one just has some little like teardrops to it. And then you also get a layering piece for each one of those. So several dies in this set, but super easy to put together. So let's get right to it. I've cut out all my pieces and I've done some stitching. So this is what they look like. And I had thought about maybe placing, like using these cubby strips to place under this piece right here and give it some dimension, but I decided just to go with a stitching and just leave it, you know, simple. So what I am doing is trying to use up this double-sided tape again. So I'm just going to add, oh, okay. So let me tell you, when you cut this out, it has this tab at the bottom, one tab at the bottom and one tab on the side. So you're going to adhere these together all the way around, right, on the top. And then at the bottom, you're going to use the larger base, because this is the layering piece, the larger base, and you're going to just adhere it. So let's just add some foam, some double-sided tape to the tabs. Okay, so I've added my double-sided tape to each of the tabs on the bottom, and now I'm just going to line up my base with the folded edge, just like that. And you'll just go all the way around doing the same thing, just lining up your edges as best you can. And you don't want to go over that fold line, because then it'll be hard to fold. See, just like that. We are doing good so far. And now for the last one. So see, this is really easy to put together. Run your score tool over that, give it a good press, and then now all we need to do is adhere these tabs all the way around. I'm going to use some glue, some liquid glue for that. Make sure to line it up really well. So you just line up that tab and on to this next one. So this is going to be one video. In the next video, it's going to be like a part 2. I don't think I've ever really done a part 2, but in the part 2, I'm going to embellish and show you what I made to fill this with. Let me know in the comment section what you would fill it with. It's a really large basket, you guys. I'll give you the measurements once I'm done. I think it's 3 inches in height, but we'll check in just a bit. And then add some glue to this little tab. So you could do a whole Galentine mail using this basket, you know, like fill it with a shaker mix, a pokey tool, a beaded pin, a little tiny pillbox full of charms and dangles, some embellishments, and some bows. Like, I feel like all of that could fit in here. Or maybe just a whole bunch of rosettes, a whole bunch of flowers. Like, it's always so fun to get a bunch of flowers. I remember I saw Angela send some flowers in a Christmas swap, and I was so wishing that I was the recipient. I thought it was so brilliant to send, you know, just a whole bunch of flowers for you to have ready to craft. Look at how big this is, you guys. Look at the Miss basket that this is. So like I said, you could send a whole swap in here, and what I'm planning to do is add some straps to this, so make sure to come back for part 2 so you can see how I embellish it. In this video I just wanted you to see how to assemble it. And then these pieces right here, these are the, let me get them. These are the decorative pieces. As I mentioned at the top of the video, there's 2 different styles. This one has little hearts. I used this one and this layering piece, and I just went on and, you know, adhered that to the top of each one of these and did some stitching on it, and then stitched all the way around the base. It was really fast and easy to do that. So, yeah. Oh, I was going to give you measurements. So this piece right here, I'm thinking I would put this inside to cover those tabs. And yeah, let me add some glue to this just to make sure it'll stick. Just a little bit of glue. I wasn't sure if I was going to put this on the outside or on the inside, but I do want to cover up those tabs in there, so I'm going to stick it on the inside and try to cover up those tabs. Go. So I'm just running my score tool over the edges and the corners just to make sure it adheres. And now when you look on the inside, the tabs are covered. Doesn't that look so pretty, you guys? I really love this so much. Okay, so let's do measurements. It's about a little over 3 inches in height, and then the width of it is about 4.5 inches. The base of this is about a little over 3.5 inches. So yeah, I mean, it's a really large, look at, I have these 2 glue bottles right there, and look at how much space you still have. So it's a pretty large box. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I think it is so cute. I love it. Don't forget to use code Patty10 if you are inspired to pick up this die today or any other Scrap Diva design die that I have shared. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a part 2 so that you can see how I embellish this and what I fill it with. Leave comments in on this video letting me know what you would fill it with, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.